Shibnobi Coin price will go up, and Gate.io and SafeMoon exchange listing and much more big announcements. In this video, we are going to share the latest updates on Shibnobi Coin. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. SafeMoon Army is welcoming Shibnobi Coin to their ecosystem. Shibnobi Shinja is now available to buy on the SafeMoon wallet and SafeMoon swap. So this is very good news. Now you can go ahead and buy Shibnobi Shinja on SafeMoon. So, I believe that these two communities working together and collaborating will be advantageous to both militaries. And kudos to all the armies out there. SafeMoon Army is a massive effort with over 1.4 million Twitter followers, and they've gotten a lot of attention since meme coins became popular. SafeMoon is by far one of the most popular meme coins, and I believe this will benefit both Shibnobi and SafeMoon. We all know how powerful the Shibnobi is and how well it can perform. So, before we get into the price analysis, let's go over all the details and then talk about what's going on with Shibnobi and what we can anticipate to see next in the price. So, before we get into the price analysis, let's have a look at this decent AMA recap. So, first and foremost, I'll start with the safe mode. The secure moon listing will occur, and it has already occurred, allowing us to purchase Shibnobi Shinja from their wallet and swap it, which is quite fantastic. The pairing will be with Ethereum, and their team has stated the community is very excited about the listing tomorrow. So this crossover between Shibnobi and SafeMoon is absolutely great. Let's talk about Bitmart. Shibnobi is once again number 1 on Bitmart's top 10 most searched coins this week, and this shows us how big it should be, as well as how much it's trending everywhere. Shibnobi is trending on Bitmart's top 10 most searched coins this week, and since the private sale and T will be bought, we have to talk about this as well. So the team has created a bot that will monitor all the transactions of Shibnobi Shinja on the blockchain. If the ball decides that a private sale holder is attempting to sell more than they are permitted to sell, the transaction will be prioritized and the volume will be automatically blacklisted. This will undoubtedly aid in catching those private sale holders who are attempting to pull a Jeep maneuver on all believers. This will actually be an anti-will policy, which is a good thing. So, if they are truly making attempts to avoid these massive sales, I believe this will absolutely assist the Shibnobi in the long run. So all those who are holding this project with a long-term attitude, this coin will pay you frequently. Let's chat about the city for a moment. Cliff has spoken with Saudi, and the dojo swap audit has begun in early. So just like we had the SataMask audit before the SataMask release, we are having a dojo swap audit, which is a 30 audit, and now the process of the dojo swap audit has begun. So this is going to create hype for the Shinja, which will benefit Shibnobi with some price appreciation. Now let's talk about dojo swap beta testing. Data testing of Dojo Swap will be starting very soon with their own community. This is the most important thing that Cliff has discussed in the entire AMA, and this is the Gate.io listing. We all know how big a change is. So let me go to CoinMarketCap and actually show you how big a .io exchange is. I mean, get on our IO exchange. This is no less than Coinbase or Binance. Why am I saying this? Because this exchange has huge volume. So let me go to the exchanges page here. There are 500 exchangers in the system. Take a look at our iOS ranking. As a result, this gate is ranked 8th among the world's finest exchanges. It's a significant deal to list on the 8th most popular exchange. Gator listing of IO Shinja, so they're still aiming for the list to acquire EO takeis for teens, but Cliff isn't sure when it will happen. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So we might see the Giryu named on February 14th, but the list hasn't been confirmed yet. We're just hoping it'll be released around Valentine's Day. It'll be fantastic and unimaginable. Let's talk about it. Unfortunately, it does not look like the unthinkable will be happening. The team has finally gone back to Cliff Booter, requesting that they make a new token on a different network blockchain because gas fees on E3M are too high. So that's all for this ALMA. Now let's take a look at some of the Q&As that were discussed in the AMAs. The reason for the delay on the merge store is that the marketing team is trying to use a reputable streetwear company to design their merchandise so it is made with quality materials. They are also trying to set up photos too, displaying images on each item. Official Shinja merchandise coming up very soon. Let's talk about the SHIB. There is no budget, so Cliff and Strong will be getting known by tattoos at a 5 billion market cap. Cliff and Strong get the SHIB nobody tattles. That would be great. Let's talk about Mexico. This is also a good exchange. MeXC and the team has begun discussing with MeXC the listing on the exchange. There is no potential listing date yet. This is simply another conversation they'll try to get into. It's really cool. So those are all of the key SHIB no changes. By this, everyone in their recent AMA has been this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell.